Hi, welcome to Cooking with Sudan. I'm Sudan and behind the camera is Ischa.
Hello!
So, today we're going to make eggplant salad. Eggplant salad is something that I learned from my mom and she's been making it for decades. It's honestly a crowd pleaser. Everybody that comes to our house loves it. And I'm going to make it for you today and show you how you can make it in your own home. And it's really simple and it's a great side dish for a dal or nice chicken curry. So let's get to it. So to begin with, you need eggplants. I have 2 eggplants which I got from the market and I'm going to show you how to chop it. So first of all, just get rid of the ends. Cut it in half. And then slice them in half moons about 0.5 centimeter thick. Eggplants all chopped. Now let's get frying. To fry, I've filled a pot to half full to fry the eggplants. So what you're going to do is you're going to
Oh, what you doing?
So I'm just popping them in, a few at a time, till they're about golden brown.
What kind of oil is it?
It doesn't matter, as long as it's vegetable oil. I'm using peanut oil. And I would always keep the plastic bottle handy and don't throw it away, because once we finish with this oil, we only cooked vegetables in it. We can reuse it for cooking other things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's true.
so there's no wastage.
And it's also quite expensive actually, peanut oil.
Yeah. Looking good in it. It's got a nice color and I can really smell the aubergine. And this is going to be so... Okay, I think it's about ready. I'm going to fish these out. So that's the color that you want. It's nice golden brown. I'm going to pop it in to strain it.
Bye! Ta-da.
And I'm going to continue adding more. So while the aubergines are frying, let's make the dressing. The red onions, you need 2 medium-sized red onions. Transfer these into a bowl. And we need 1 green chili. Finely chopped.
Is that very spicy?
Well, the thing is, it is spicy on its own, but we are making it into a nice, and it goes together with yogurt, so it will be much milder, but it is spicy. To garnish, we need some coriander, so I'm just going to also...
Don't forget the aubergine, they're getting a bit dark.
Yeah. Now we need some yogurt. So I'm using a normal fat yogurt, and we're going to put a few tablespoons in there. That looks about 1.5 cups. I'm going to give that a stir, and let's see how that goes. It's enough. Gonna add a little bit more, another tablespoon. So I'm putting about 1.5 cups of yogurt. I'm gonna give it a nice stir. And I'm going to crack some pepper.
Yum yum.
Just like that. A couple of cracks. And I don't usually measure, but I'm gonna use I usually measure by hand, so that's about 1 teaspoon.
And a bit more.
A bit more, about 1.5 or so, right? Give it a nice stir. Oh, it just splattered on me, but And then I'm gonna add some sugar
Ah.
and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I'm gonna add a little bit more, about 1.5. And I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna taste it as you go, because you want it to be just lightly salted, and you also want it to be sweet, a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. And I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of water just to
Hoppa.
lighten this dressing a little bit. There. And then give it a stir. You want it a bit runny. There. Well, I'm just going to quickly check on the eggplants because I'm still frying. Okay, back to the dressing. Okay, I'm going to taste this. Yeah. So it's just salty enough and it's also sweet enough. And so now I'm going to leave this aside in the fridge for it to rest, because then all the flavors combined, and put this in the fridge while I continue frying. So once all of them cool down, we want to lay them out in a glass deep dish. Just scatter them on the bottom, spread them out nicely. Smells good. And I'm gonna get the dressing out of the fridge. Give it a little stir. And I'm going to add
A pinch.
a couple of pinches of garam masala and give that a bit stir. That gives a little bit more of a herby taste as well. And then I'm just going to slowly, evenly pour it over the eggplant. Now you can also make this dish a day in advance or so, because this will keep.
It's better to make it a day in advance, right?
Yeah, then the flavors and stuff combine well. That's also nice. So, and then just spread it with the back of the spoon, evenly across, just like that. Sprinkle a little bit of garam masala at the top. And then with coriander. Eggplant salad.
Ta-da!
This is a great dish. As I said, you can make it the day before, and it's also very versatile. You can even eat it on a piece of toast, and it's really nice. And shall we have a taste? Let me grab a spoon. Where's a spoon?
I see a little spoon over there, isn't
Oh
there?
yeah, teaspoon. All right, I'm gonna
That's
try
a
it.
little spoon.
Yeah.
Hum num num num. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's creamy, it's salty, it's caramelly, it's a little bit sour, and it's beautiful. See you soon.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.